If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Well, how's it going, everybody? Pen mail. So let's get started. Let's open it up, show you what's inside, and like I always do, I'll do a review sometime during the week. As soon as I get to use the pen a little bit, get to know the pen gets to know me, then I'll come back and say, okay, here we go. So let's go ahead and open it up. And a special thank you to Kevin from Fountain Pen Revolution. How's that? All right, so here it is, Fountain Pen Revolution. And it's a little brochure about FPR, filling instructions, etc. And remember, if you ever have any problems with any of your pens from Fountain Pen Revolution, this is important. Get in touch with Kevin. You can email him or call him. That'll be entirely up to you. And he will help you get the pen needs straightened out. Okay? He's really good at that. He stands behind his pens. That's a good thing. Pens are affordable as well. He makes some pretty darn good pens. So let's get started here and see what we have. Now look at this pen. Is it not beautiful? I do love the colors of this pen. Look how they just feed into each other. Kind of reminds me almost like a lava lamp in its own way, how the colors just burst into each other. Really a pretty pen. Good looking pen. And we'll just take the barrel off and let y'all take a little look-see. And there you go. And that's a pull-out converter. Push in. So I will ink this up later, and then I will come back with a review, and then we'll go from there. I'd like to remind everybody that this month, on the 17th, I believe that's what, Tuesday or Wednesday?
Wednesday, I believe, yes.
Wednesday, at 7 p. our time, which is Central Time, on Zoom Pen Hangout, I'm bringing my guest. It's going to be Dr. James McCarty and Dr. Joe
Vitolo.
Yay! Now they're going to be talking about some of their favorite pens. So Dr. McCarty is going to have his style that he loves, and he will explain why and show you the pens. And then Dr. Joe is going to do the same thing. So we're going to have different pens. Some may be the same, but it's going to be interesting because both of them have one heck of a collection. And if you're a pen enthusiast, I know you would appreciate that. I know I do. I love seeing people's collections, people's pens. I don't care if it's a low-end pen or a high-end pen. I'm a pen guy. That's what I do. Okay? So that's something to be looking for, and be my first Zoom back, God willing. And then I do have another young man be coming up very, very soon. So you want to stay posted to the channel to let you know when and who is coming. And there's just so much to do. So many things to do here. So much to talk about. It's endless. One can never run out of things to talk about when you get into fountain pens. Like, take for instance, and leave your comments below. Do you like ballpoints, rollerball, gel pens, stick pens. Stick pens. Now that's an interesting subject. And I'll leave you with the Bic. Now, I know I've heard it all about stick pens and Bic. But I'll be doing a video on that very, very soon. Very interesting history on Bic. Yep. They're not just your everyday stick pens. I think they're special. And then, do you prefer fountain pens over what I just mentioned? Or do you prefer kit pens? Or are you okay with the kit pen? You know, some people just don't like kit pens. Have nothing to do with it. That's cool. But like I've said, like a broken record over and over again, that we all are so different because we have our own opinions about this and that, what we like, what we don't like. It just never ends. So, and I get it. I totally get it. I'm okay with kit pens. I'm okay with all of it. You know, because that's just who I am. Do I prefer fountain pens? Sure. I love fountain pens. That's my heart. So, a lot of stuff's going to be happening. And it's going to be interesting. So with that said, my friends, thank you for joining me today on Larry's Fountain Pens Review. And I know this is going to be one heck of a cool dynamite pen. And again, thank you to Kevin for Fountain Pen Revolution. I appreciate that, sir. And Kevin's been around for quite a while now. So, he's got some really good, great, affordable pens. So, my friends, thank you. God bless each and every one of you. Be kind to a stranger. And as always, peace, love, and don't text, don't drive. Bye-bye.